it's 12:45 a.m. We're here at Terminal 3 by International Airport. And right now we're having
night meal.
Tinry namin itong Marahaba Lounge for the first time. Right now, kaya kami nasa airport because we're going to Vietnam. Let's enjoy!
Ladies and gentlemen, welcome to Nui Bai International Airport, where the local time is 2:30 in the afternoon and the temperature is 17 degrees Celsius. Please keep your seatbelt fastened until the seatbelt sign has been switched off. Before leaving Australia, for your safety, please be cautious when opening the overhead locker and remember to check your seat area for any personal belongings. On behalf of the entire team, I would like to thank you Flying Emirates. We hope you enjoy your flight and we look forward to seeing you again soon. Good afternoon.
Give me the phone, please. Welcome to Vietnam!
Lamig!
Lamig, parang bagyo nga. We're nasa aming transportation, going to hotel. Tignan mo naman si Javi. Init na init. Ako yung lamig na lamig lang.
Try so hard to be what you need. If you're into the finer things, well, maybe we should let this fall apart.
Anong unang bumungad sa'yo pagbaba mo na sasakyan?
Durian. Kaya challenge ako eh.
Wow, flowers! Alright guys, ito na yung hotel na aming binook. So, eksakto 4:32 na ng hapon. Almost 1 hour yung biyahe natin from airport papunta dito sa hotel.
Ayun, yung aking kasama. Nahuli. Nai-stress daw siya sa mga motor. Naninibago.
Nanditindi yung mga motor dito.
Santos. Halo ba? Anong masasabi mo sa ating unang kain?
Hindi lang kilala ang Vietnam sa pho, but also sa bun cha.
Bun charap.
Bun charap. Bun charap.
Charap charap.
Sobrang nasarapan ako doon sa mix na leafy greens. Ikaw, mahal.
Parehong kinain eh. Pero may option ka talaga na gulay lang ang kakainin mo.
Kaya lang kasi set yon pag
Set
binili.
siya.
Time check. Alas 6 na ng gabi. Buhay na buhay itong areang to. Hop? Apa?
Ito. Mayroon pala. Walking street tour.
Ito yung Baby 3 Billionaire Cat. So, another buncha day. Greens, roll. chili and garlic, lime, noodles, buncha.
Hello, madam.
Tatapos lang namin kumain sa Buncha Duck King. Ngayon, saan naman tayo ngayon?
Next is walk to Pho Ten, Lee Cook Smith.
In too deep, but you're not thinking too much about me. What if it goes wrong? What if it goes right? What if these things I'm saying make you change your mind? I've never been one to cry. I can't stop the tears raining down from my eyes. No. 'Cause I feel so stupid for falling for you. I should've listened to my friends. Well, they told me not to. They said you never want one night stand, trip to Candyland. If you get so close, then you might understand. But now my heart's on my sleeve and I'm into.
Nasa likod namin yung isa sa mga kilalang go-to na pho place. Ayan, itong Pho Ten.
Ayan, nakuha na ko na kanina.
Kung sana kami, pero mahaba ang pila. Ikot muna tayo sa next stop natin. Gaganda ng mga items nila. Bye-bye! Yes. Thank you. Hello everyone. Time check, 2:49 PM na. After kami nagbuncha kanina, dumiretso muna kami sa bilihan ng mga jackets, beanies, and then right now we were going to have our late lunch dito sa Kwan An Mon. Later pakita namin kung ano yung order namin. So this is the first time also here and nalaman natin mintong place na to through Chef RV sa kanyang mga vlogs.
Today, tomorrow, forever. Ito, recommended ni Ate Elaine.
Let's try yung grilled pork ribs nila in lemongrass. Actually, isa to sa mga ni-refer ni Ate Elaine. But I'm not sure kung ito yung exactly, pero sabi niya yung pork na may lemongrass and chili. So, this one, baka ito yun. And let's try it. Sarap. Tapos na yung ating late lunch sa Kwan An Mon. And ngayon, time for dessert. So pupunta tayo sa may famous, hindi naman famous, but recommended din na mga donuts naman. Nakapag-dessert na tayo ng ating donuts. So, tikman na natin itong Lim Donuts. Masarap siya. Hindi siya ganun katamis, which is yun yung hinahanap natin. Tapos, handcrafted. Yung bread's very soft. So, must try also. May luya siya. Ayan. in the evening. Buncha forever.
Sabagay, okay lang. Hindi
Maraming
natin
serving
maubos.
nila dito, napansin ko. Nag-isa kaming banh mi, pork sausage, and grilled pork.
Yung drinks,
Is
yung classic.
Draconto melon. Look at that. Whoa, sausage. Sarap.
Sayang. Formula. They will grill it here.
Ito yung tinatawag na Ho1 PM.
Sometimes I look up
Lake.
in the night sky. Do we look at the same star? 'Cause I might
Ang
be
ganda,
so
very
lonely,
relaxing.
I'm feeling so
Tomorrow
high.
ulit.
I don't
Last
even
day
know
here at
why I
Hanoi.
want to try.
Morning.
Good morning! Medyo ano siya, rainy yung weather.
Mahamog.
Mahamog pala, hamog. Malamig. So, perfect. Itong last day namin dito.
Remember me if you feel like no one can see who you are. I really loved it. I'll be there everywhere you need. Remember me. You can remember me. I sit and wait for you till I cry. Oh, wonder if we can do it right. 'Cause I might do you wrong when I hold you that tight. Would you wanna drop my hand as I lie? I'm not scared of your goodbye, but I roll that dice. Remember me if you feel like no one can see who you are. I really loved it. I'll be there everywhere you need. Remember me. You can remember me. Maybe I'm afraid that one day you'll forget me without even thinking. If you'll miss me lying in your bed thinking that I was the one to love, to give me all of your love, 'cause maybe that's all I need. Remember